Everyone knows someone who never gets sick. Doesn't matter if the whole office goes down. Doesn't matter if it's flu season, cold season, or whatever is going around season. Somehow, they're fine. And according to scientists, it's not luck. There are actual, real, measurable reasons why some people's bodies just handle threats differently. 7 of them to be exact. And by the end of this, you're either going to feel really good about yourself or you're going to have some work to do. Let's get into it. Reason 1, genetics. Some people straight up won the immune system lottery before they ever took their first breath. Inside your DNA are genes that control how your immune system identifies and responds to threats. One of the biggest players is something called the HLA system, human leukocyte antigens. These are proteins on your cells that act like bouncers. Their whole job is to look at everything coming in and decide you're good or you're getting kicked out. Some people have HLA variants so efficient that threats get flagged and destroyed before they ever cause symptoms. Their immune system doesn't react, it anticipates. Now, you can't change your genetics, but genetics is just the foundation because the next 6 reasons, those are things that can actually be influenced, starting with what's living inside your stomach right now. Reason 2, your gut. Here's something that trips most people up. About 70% of your immune system doesn't live in your lungs or your blood. It lives in your gut. Inside your intestines right now are trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, fungi, even viruses, all living together in what's called your microbiome. And the more diverse that microbiome is, the stronger your immune system runs. People who eat a wide variety of whole foods, fiber, fermented foods, natural probiotics, tend to have a thriving microbiome. People living off processed food, their gut looks more like a ghost town, and their immune system responds accordingly. Think of your gut as a training camp. The more diverse the training, the better the soldiers coming out of it. Feed it well, and it'll protect you. Neglect it, and you're on your own. Reason 3, sleep. Not just rest, sleep. While you're out, your body is releasing proteins called cytokines. These are your immune system's emergency broadcasts. They target infection, inflammation, and damage. And your body makes them almost exclusively during deep sleep. Here's the number that should make you put your phone down at night. People who sleep less than 6 hours are 4 times more likely to get sick when exposed to a virus. Not a little more likely, 4 times. People who never get sick treat sleep like it's part of their immune system, because it is. 6 hours isn't enough. 7 is the floor. 8 is where the real protection kicks in. Reason 4, stress response. Not whether they feel stress. Everybody feels stress. The difference is what their body does with it. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. In small doses, cortisol is actually useful. It primes your immune system. But chronic stress? When cortisol stays elevated for days, weeks, months, it flips. Now it's suppressing your immune system, telling your body to stand down. And that's when everything gets in. People who rarely get sick either have naturally lower cortisol responses or they've built habits that keep stress from compounding. Exercise, real sleep, time away from screens, strong relationships. These aren't soft suggestions. They are immune system maintenance. And this is one of the few reasons on this list you actually control. Reason 5. What happened to them as a kid. This one goes against the instinct to keep everything clean and sanitized, and the science is wild. It's called
the hygiene hypothesis, and it basically says that kids who were exposed to more bacteria, dirt, animals, and environments early in life end up with significantly stronger immune systems as adults. Your immune system learns by doing. Every new germ it encounters in childhood is a training rep. More reps early, better performance later. Kids who grew up on farms, around animals, or in environments rich with microbial diversity have consistently lower rates of allergies, autoimmune conditions, and frequent illness as adults. You can't go back and redo your childhood, but if you have kids, let them play in the dirt. Seriously. Reason 6. Blood type. Your blood type is determined by specific antigens on the surface of your red blood cells, and certain blood types appear to have natural resistance to specific diseases.
Type O blood has shown resistance to severe malaria. During COVID-19, type O individuals had measurably lower rates of severe infection compared to type A. Type B has shown advantages against certain bacterial infections. No blood type makes you untouchable, but your blood type may be quietly working in your favor or against you without you ever knowing it. If you survived something that hit everyone around you hard, your blood type might be part of the story. Reason 7. Mindset. Specifically, what researchers call the psycho-neuroimmunology connection. Big word. Simple idea. Your brain and your immune system are in constant communication, and what you think and believe can physically change how your body defends itself. The placebo effect is the clearest proof of this. In study after study, people who believed they were getting real treatment, even when they were given a sugar pill, showed real, measurable improvements in immune function. Their belief triggered a biological response. People who walk around saying, "I never get sick," and actually mean it, may be doing more than just being optimistic. They may be wiring their biology to make it true. Lower stress hormones, better sleep, more consistent immune activity. It all connects. The mind isn't separate from the body. It's part of the system. Always has been. So here's where we landed. Some people never get sick because of genetics, gut health, sleep, how their body handles stress, what they were exposed to as kids, their blood type, and the way they think about their own health. Some of it you were born with. Most of it you can actually influence. The people who never get sick aren't just lucky. They're running a better system. And now you know what that system looks like. Next video, we're going deeper on blood type. It gets interesting. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Some people are lucky, but a lot of them built the system. That's a fact.